everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of simple plaits. Roll the plaits upwards in the form of a circle and then secure it properly with a bobby pin. Take the remaining sections of your hair and carefully make plaits out of all the 4 sections. Take that section, give it a fluffy look and roll that section along the former part of the hair and then give it a fluffy and a circular look by just securing it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take that ponytail, insert it above one another, secure it properly with a rubber band, and then along with your favorite Juda pin, you can also secure it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Take that ponytail, give it a snaily look by rolling that ponytail above and beyond. Then take the clutcher and then secure it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take few sections of the hair from the side and keep making plaits out of that section, giving it a snaily rubber bandy look from one side. Take the hair from the other side, repeat the same process, give it a crisscross look and then secure it with your bobby pin. You can also decorate it as your own whims and fancies. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, divide the lower section of the hair into 2 parts, roll that part above in the form of plait, give it a fluffy look and then you're done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of ponytail, take the 6-legged Juda pin, take the upper part of the hair, roll that upper part in the form of a snail and then you're done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and take the lower part of the hair, tie it again with a rubber band, insert the lower end from the above part, then take the above part, divide it into 2, take the lower part, tie it properly with a rubber band and then decorate it properly with your favorite Juda pin or a back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail along with your favorite rubber band. Then from the above, loosen it, divide it into 2, make a gap, insert the ponytail through that gap and then again make a ponytail out of it. Tie it with your favorite red colored or any ribbon colored rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and carefully insert that ponytail through the gap of another ponytail and then tie the upper end of the ponytail with a rubber band. Insert a 6-legged back pin through that rubber band and you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, insert a long stretched rubber band and along the length of that rubber band, roll that ponytail and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take that ponytail, remove the fancy rubber band, roll it upwards, secure it properly with a Juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, make a gap in between that ponytail, roll that ponytail into a plait and then above, decorate it with your favorite clutcher. Thank you for watching.